yung may pinakamagaling sumayaw, makakauwi sa Pilipinas.
Talaga?
Sa pamamagitan ng jet ski dito sa likod. Yun ang sasabi.
Kahit may bagyo, dire-diretso.
May kasama naman Marin dito eh. Siya mag-aalaga sa inyo.
Tuwan-tuwa pa naman siya, yes, gumaganon siya.
Tare. Lagi ka ba nagsuswimming, te?
Hindi naman.
Kailan ka huli nag-swimming?
Last year.
Last year. Nung last year ka ba, last sing ka. Okay. Madali lang to kasi pahusayan talaga. Ganito lang ang steps na ituturo ko, ate!
She's okay. Yeah, may energy dapat, ha?
Okay, game! Ito lang, super bass.
One,
Go!
two, 1, 2, 3, 4! Palakpakan lahat! Come on!
This one's for the boys, the women sitting top down and say, but the girls say,
When it came in the club and it blazing up, let's stop to the day, you can save it up.
kaya ang masaya na!
Might get it down, rock by the second or right, got a bell, going, you know, my
G-Force! G-Force!
Yes! MC! Yes, I did! Yes, I did! So,
That goose up. Oh, you got my heart is going away. People like a trumpet swirling away. Can't you hear it? Boom, 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 bass. Got a super bass. Boom, 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 bass. Got a super bass. Boom, boom,
Okay,
boom.
okay. Ang step, ha?
Yun lang.
Nakuha nyo. Wala pa ba yung hinihingal ka?
Ate,
Sabi niya,
how are you? How are you?
okay.
Ate, alam ba nandito ka? Kaya pa ho?
Huli si ate, special ka.
Sige.
Unahin muna natin to.
Ayan.
Ah,
Half, half.
Madali lang yan. You got my heartbeat running away. Beating like a drum that is coming away. I can hear it boom, 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 bass. Super bass.
Ganon.
Ha?
Okay.
Kailangan yung pag ano yung...
Yung umahampas yung dibdib.
Oo, yung gumagano yung boobs mo yung puro bulakay.
Dito ka sa gitna, ate, ha?
Mas sumahang mas panalo. Ganon.
Yan, baka makain mo yung buhok mo. Mahal.
Okay, contestant number 1, Sarah!
Go!
Wow. Beating like a trumpet is coming away. Can't you hear it? Boom, 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 bass. Got a super bass. Boom, 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 bass. Got a super bass.
Okay.
Ay, ito mukhang palaban to.
Oo, mukhang talented. Legs pa lang, Sharon Cuneta na.
Dito ka, ate.
Contestant number 2!